Xiaomi makes arguably the best mid-range smartphones, especially their Redmi Note series, which are very popular in the country. They went above and beyond with their recently launched Note 13 lineup. Each device comes packed with nice upgrades, which include brighter screens, faster processors, better design, improved cameras, and bigger batteries. From Techweez, I'm George Kamau, and here's a full review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro 4G. Let's take it and go. Redmi Note 13 Pro comes in a white box, and inside you get the 67-watt power brick, Type-C charging cable, documentation, a silicone back case, SIM ejector tool, and the phone itself. The Note 13 Pro has an improved design featuring a glossy back and a 6.67-inch 10-bit AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1300 nits peak brightness. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass 5 that's more scratch resistant, and the phone is IP54 rated for dust and splash resistance. This is a terrific screen with excellent colors, and I enjoyed streaming movies and videos on the phone. Consuming multimedia content gets even better as the phone has dual stereo speakers that support Dolby Atmos located at the bottom and the top, and they sound really good. There are a ton of ports on the Note 13 Pro, including a headphone jack at the top beside the speaker grill, a secondary microphone, and IR blaster. On the bottom is the Type-C port, primary microphone, and speakers. The left side has the hybrid SIM card slot, while the right side has the volume rockers and the power button. The phone comes with an in-display fingerprint reader instead of the usual side-mounted reader, which most people will love. It's a quick and easily accessible way to unlock your phone. I love the overall design, with the phone coming in lighter than its predecessor. The bright screen and incredibly sounding speakers are perfect for people who like watching movies and listening to music or podcasts. Color options include Arctic White, Midnight Black, Ocean Teal, and Aurora Purple. Redmi Note 13 Pro has a MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra processor, 8GB RAM, and 256GB storage. You also get 4GB of virtual RAM. You can also opt for the version 12GB RAM and 512GB storage as well. The phone comes with Android 13 and MIUI 14. It will get 3 years of major Android updates. The Helio chipset is relatively faster than the Snapdragon processor from its predecessor. This also translates to real-world performance. The Redmi Note 13 Pro is outstanding in daily use, and I didn't experience any issues with its performance. It handled multitasking and playing games without breaking a sweat. The Redmi Note 13 Pro has a 5000 mAh battery. Battery life with the phone was outstanding, as with light use I could push 2 days, and with heavy use I was getting on average 8 hours of screen on time. You'll not have battery anxiety on the device. The phone has a 67-watt charger that juices up the phone. A 15-minute charge will get the phone from empty to 50%, and a full charge in 46 minutes. Another area that gets improved is the photography. Xiaomi switches from a 108-megapixel primary camera to a 200-megapixel main camera with OIS. The phone comes with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Selfies are taken care of with a 16-megapixel selfie camera. All cameras record 1080p video at either 30 or 60 FPS. Shooting modes include the 200-megapixel mode, portrait, night, time-lapse, pro, panorama, long exposure, and short film. With daylight pictures, the phone does a really good job with photos coming out with nice color vibrancy and dynamic range. In low light, the phone delivers equally great photos with good details and minimal noise, especially with the night mode. Overall, these are incredible cameras. Xiaomi is making a statement with the new Redmi Note 13 Pro. It has an improved design, a significantly brighter AMOLED screen, stellar performance, incredible cameras, standard battery life, and ultra-fast charging. All these features make the phone hold up well against rival mid-range smartphones, and you should consider checking it out. Redmi Note 13 Pro is available at official Xiaomi stores, partner retail stores, Jumia, Ropem, and Kilimall for 40,000 Kenyan shillings. Xiaomi is also offering 25 months warranty and 6 months screen warranty. Till the next one.